I remember early in speaking circles, I could call it osteopathic Toastmasters, really, that the first time I was a mess. I'd been very closed and sort of held back for a long time, and I just came to this thing and I just bawled my eyes out and I didn't even know what I was talking about. I was literally just emptying out the stuck energy in my body, and for the first time ever in my life, not putting any attention on if it was okay or right for others. I just dropped the self-consciousness. How I did it, I have no idea. I was sure it was horrible, but it was. Well, firstly, the whole room just beamed at me. And then I actually woke up the next day and I had so much energy and reception for other people that I hadn't experienced in years. I'd literally emptied out so I could take more in. And it was so dramatic in contrast with my day-to-day experience that had been, pretty flat for so many years, on the heels of having a child and being a single mom and being so focused on taking care of everyone, including my patients, and doing all the things. I was almost manic. The contrast was so great. And I went to a barbecue. Someone invited me to something social. I almost never was accepting of those things. And I was like, yes, I want to go. And then I want to know everything about every person in that room. Like, attention out, which I hadn't. When you're blocked up with unexpressed stuff, you actually don't have space to take in more. You don't have delight and curiosity and hunger to receive more energy. Somehow this is very powerful in my body right now, this concept of emptying out. And then I just got how it relates to this problem project. It is what it is. The releasing, the letting go, clearing, creating of space, perhaps to come at the world with a little bit of capacity for reception and compassion. Like shifting from, it's a terrible problem, to, a creative, inspiring, or, exciting as a project, to, oh, maybe I can drop all of it and just be with the stillness underneath it all. For information on our more extended trainings, which offer continuing education credits for providers of all kinds, email us at practices@flowismedicine.com, and be sure to follow us on social media.